Welcome back. In this lecture, we will explore how to bring your videos to life using filters, color grading, and visual effects inside VN Video Editor. You've already learned how to assemble your clips and add transitions. Now it's time to enhance your visuals and make your project truly stand out. So the first step that we want to discuss is understanding filters. Filters are preset visual styles that change the overall look of your video. They can make a clip look warmer, cooler, vintage, cinematic, or vibrant depending on the mood you want to create. In the VN Video Editor, you will find filter by going to your timeline. You click on your timeline and then you come to the lower part of your phone. You see the filter right here at the down left corner of your phone. So you click on it, you see the filter. So here you have filter and here you have adjust. So the filter here also has different kinds of filters. So you can click on each of the filter to see the effects. As you can see how it is affecting the video right here. You select the filter depending on what you need. Yes, so some filters are cool, they are just cool. And then you can decrease or increase the intensity. You can also apply to all and then you select this tick button when you are done. Okay, now let's talk about the second step, that is the color grading basics. So color grading is the process of adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and tone manually to give your video a consistent visual style. Here is how to do it in VN Video Editor. So this is the adjust. Click on the adjust here for color grading. Here we have different things to adjust. We have the highlights. So we also have the shadow here. You can just go through it one after the other to get yourself familiar with it. So click on the brightness. You can increase the brightness a bit, just a bit, and you can also go to contrast. Maybe you can just touch on the contrast and increase it a bit. If you want to add saturation, make sure that it is not too much. You can increase it just a bit. Yes, so make sure that you do this depending on the mode of your video, the mode that you want your video to give to the viewers. The goal is balance, not perfection. You want your colors to feel natural yet enhanced. Now let's talk about another point that you need to have in mind: maintaining visual consistency. Always apply filters, color grading, and effects with consistency across your clips. If one clip is too dark and another too bright, your video might feel disjointed. To keep your visuals uniform, you can come to this apply all and then you click it, and that particular effect will be applied to all the clips. Yes, so if you go back, you see how it was. So we have applied it, you see the changes. You go back here, you see how it was. We have applied it, you see the changes. Good. And it is cool effect. It gives life to your video, as you can see. But if you do not apply it to all of the clip, one clip will look very polished while another clip will look very ugly. So make sure you use the apply all feature to apply your filter and color grading across all your clips so that your video will maintain consistency.